Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Still on the Big Brother Naija season 4. BBnaija Khafi finally receives car prize for winning Innocent Motor Challenge. Remember guys, during one of their arena games, Khafi won one of the challenges for Innocent Motor. Finally, ex-Big Brother Naija housemate Khafi Karim has received her long-awaited vehicle from Innocent Motors. Months ago, Khafi won herself an Innocent IVM Fox after emerging winner of the Innocent Motor Challenge during Big Brother Naija 2019 show. The challenge, which had other housemate Kinley contesting to win the car, saw Mercy and Khafi as the last two standing. Mercy gave Khafi a run for her money in the challenge that eventually had her bowing out of the challenge. The reality star has finally received the car gift, valued at 3.85 million naira, and she has shared the good news on IG. Guess who's the newest car owner in town? I finally got my car and I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much at Official Innocent Vehicles. I will be calling her Lady Foxy. So if you see me drive by, holla at your girl, she said. Congratulations to our girl Khafi. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Thank you.